All right, so pretty much got her all rigged up now. Added some D-rings and some pulleys. The pulleys and some cross beams here. You can see it's slipping up this part. And then bent the hell out of the backing there. And had a lot of issues with this old steel here. Really rusty, and the welds are just disgusting, so that's why I didn't even bother cleaning them, because they're just gross. So let's try it out and see if it empties the bed with all my shit in here. Here we go. Never been run before. Looks like we got a problem there. It's turning sideways. That's got a hole in the sledge. That's a good thing. There goes my jacket. Probably gonna screw it all up. There's everything else. Oh, straighten back out. Here comes all my tools. Oh boy. Appears to be working. Oh yeah, it hit the little lip there, and it's lifting up now. That's about as far as I'm going to be able to go. Okay, I got an idea about how to reverse it. I'm going to put another chain in the back there and try to pull it backwards and see if that works. But pretty successful.